What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, guys. I'm going to be kind of all over the place today. Just going to warn you right now, we're going to be covering a lot of stuff. So, that is what is up. First on the docket is the turd behind me, so let's go. So real quick, about to head out to the shop, but I'm not going to take the car today, and the reason being is the car is it's kind of aggravating me right now. I made a hit with Ken, Speed Addict 731 last week, and the car wanted to go hard right. We almost had an accident, but we didn't. I got control of it. Everything was good, but the car's never done that. I'm thinking the suspension might have come out of adjustment again, which is what made me have to trailer at home, or Dover trailer at home from the NMRA World Finals, the Holly Ford Fest. So I need to check that, and I've got this horrible like squeaking when I turn the wheel. I don't know if it's something that's hitting. I don't know if the rack is junk or it's something with the coilovers. I'm not sure, so that needs to be done. But right now there's no time to fool with the car because we have a lot of other stuff going on with the customer builds that are in the shop. So this one's just gonna kind of have to wait. And so, yes, ladies and gentlemen, Big Black, it's going. All right, boys, so here's the deal. And I know a lot of you guys got the freaking phenomenal weather over the Christmas holiday. And if you look right there, it's 65 today. So yeah, I'm just rocking the t-shirt. Okay, real quick, had a lot of questions about the diesel truck. How am I liking it? How's it working? What about the mods? We did the Edge programmer and exhaust and cold air intake. I love it. Everything fit well, no issues. I have not done the performance tune on it, and the reason I haven't is because I just don't want to tear anything up. The truck is fast enough. I like being able to see the EGTs and the boost and all that stuff. If you look at the gauge, it's pretty cool. I like it, you know. The exhaust gave it a decent sound. I can hear its Terpsky noises, so that is good. I'm not sure what else. Reason being is I do tow with this truck, y'all. It tows the car everywhere. So as much as I want to lift it and put like 35s or 37s on it, you know, and some other stuff, I just don't think that's going to be smart. We'll get to that later. I don't know. I haven't really decided yet. But right now, the tow pig is good. I love it. But we're headed out to the shop. But first, I got to grab a Monster and maybe a snack. Yeah. All right, boys, also a quick note, if you did not see the live stream I did on the Facebook page, in case you haven't checked it out, I'm on Facebook and Instagram too, at Foxcast Media everywhere, so make sure you check that out if you haven't. But next Wednesday is coming out the Rewind 2019 video, and in that, I do a best of for the year. So I'm picking the best cam chop, the best wheelie, best burnout, most unique, and best like ride along. Email is in the description, caleb@thefoxcast.com. Now here's the deal, you have to email them to me. They need to be at least under a minute long, and they need to be in landscape mode. That means not, best way I can describe it, hold your phone like this, not like this. That's landscape mode. Sorry boys, driving, multitasking. So again, email's in the description of the video if you want to be considered for the best of 2019. If you go back and watch best of or 2018 rewind, I did the same thing, so kind of get an idea for that. And you basically got, you'll see this on Friday, you've got till Monday. So if you've got a video, hit me with it. All right, let's get out to the shop. We have arrived at the shop. See what's popping off. Uh-oh. Boy, I see another red hatchback. We're gonna have to investigate that one. Anyway, hey, there's Dover right there. Let's see what's going on. Always bound to be something. What are you doing? Just working all the time. All right, let's do it. All right, boys, so we're gonna do talk about a couple of things, and you can't see that. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so what do we have going on here, boys? The next upload you see basically will be this car going away, and it's gonna be actually pretty exciting because Lee's actually gonna get to look under it, drive it, enjoy it, you know, just kind of give his thoughts and all of that on the entire experience, you know, getting to have his entire car built right here on the channel, and you know, start to finish, and what it's like. You know, Lee is an old Foxbody guy. He's had them for years. He's had a lot of other cool and fast cars, but you know, ultimately this car was you know, this is for his wife and for him too. You know, clearly he's a Fox guy too, but there is more updates coming on that, so you won't want to miss that upload, I promise, because we'll also be releasing some other info. But he's also getting the pedal treatment. If you caught the upload a while back when me and Alex put the newer style pedal covers on the car, went ahead and did that to Lee's car. So just details, y'all. Everything else is done. Does need a little bit of a bath, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, guys, you don't want to miss the upload when Lee takes delivery of this beast, because it truly is a beast. And if you didn't see the video of us driving it, well, you need to go back and watch that. All right, guys, and just to give you a little bit of a hint as to what's coming, anyway, what's coming? Yeah, we've got a few things here. Yep, a couple of things. We got this big box, that big box, that box, that box, that box. So clearly we have parts showing up for another build. I promise you, you are not going to want to miss that. And if you're wondering if this has anything to do with it, no, this is for the white GT. Which basically all we've got to do is just put the front engine dress on this thing and fire it up, which you will see that very shortly. All the little details, guys, like all the little heater hoses, fixing and repairing the wiring harness, cleaning. If you're wondering, well, it looks like it did the last time. No, it actually doesn't, because this is new and some of the sensors are new. The wiring harness, you can see, has been rewrapped. All the new heater hoses, all the little details that nobody wants to sit and watch. And quite frankly, nobody wants to do. All of those have been done. So just got to get the front engine dress back on this beast and make some noise. A little cam chop action, GFS Stage 1 cam. It's going to be a fun little car. Clearly, it's a TrickFlow TFS 170 heads. The whole build's here on the channel, guys, if you want to go back and watch that. Super cool little car. All right, boys, and you're probably thinking, if you're in here for the on-3 turbo build, you're probably thinking we forgot about you. No, we have not forgot about you. What's the holdup on this one? Well, he got the valve covers here from Ford Racing, and he got the Edelbrock intake, but he wanted to kind of black everything out. So these got cleaned and stripped and everything, and we sent these off to powder coat. Get this crap out of the way. Sent those off to powder coat, and as you can see, guys, this looks, I love these valve covers. If I do another push rod build, you better believe it's going to have these. But other than that, guys, the engine is ready. This is the engine out of the 86. It's good to go. And turbo header, turbo manifolds are on. Everything's powder coated and black. All right, y'all. Sorry about the wind noise, but I promised you we'd come out here and take a look at this thing. This is a pickup. I think it was like 500 bucks. But I mean, yeah, 4-cylinder. It's rough. Clearly, it's rough. I mean, you look at quarters. The paint is done, but you know, body's all there. You got ARE wheels. Gotta love the ARE wheels. Body's all there. Hatch is in good shape. Wing is in good shape. Well, no, I spoke too soon. That could possibly be filled in, but why, guys? Why is this one here? Because she's got black interior, boys. Look at that dash. Door panels aren't perfect, but they are factory black, and I'll clean those up. But I mean, black carpet, black console, black seats. They are a little bit faded, but you know, especially back there, guys, you can see the got the black quarter interior trim and all that. I mean, this is the way to find them. Let me pull this seat up. But there you go, guys. Uh-oh, we got something going on. But anyway, boys, there is a little 90 model. Kind of digging it. All right, y'all. So walking around the inside here, under hood. Car straight, no rust. I mean, that's just surface rust where the paint's flaking off. But core support's decent. Let's see. Looks like we got. Yeah, you can see it right here, guys. If you ever want to know if one of these cars has been wrecked, look for your VIN tags. VIN tag. And no VIN tag. So yeah, it's had a bumper cover at some point, or it was painted. But anyway, y'all, this is how to get them. Buy these little 4-cylinder cars. Any decent body you can get. Oh, never mind. Excuse me. Yeah, that's I don't think that's gonna work, but looks like it's got a little damage right there, or had some damage right there on that fender apron. But I mean, overall, guys, it's rust free, and you got black interior, so I can just let it sit in the yard as far as I'm concerned, and it'd be a good score either way. I mean, the bumper cover is a mess, but it's there. And fenders are good, doors are good, mirrors, lots of good parts. So, all right, guys, so that is pretty much what I've got for you today. Just a little bit of an update. You know, yeah, it's the week, you know, between Christmas and New Year's, so not a whole heck of a lot going on as far as, you know, people have family in town and the holidays and stuff like that. So slows down progress a little bit, but you know, we're still doing work. And like I said, next upload, Lee's gonna take delivery of his car, and may or may not be another build getting dropped off. So I promise you guys, you're not gonna want to miss it. As I said in the last upload, there's no end, y'all. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And again, guys, if you've got video content of your ride, hit me up. Email is always in the description, and you could possibly make the best of 2019 video, and or, you know, throw it up on my Facebook, my Instagram. Always down to share your cars. So hit me with those pictures and videos. Glad to share them, and like to check your stuff out too. So yeah, guys, I guess that's what I got for you. So I'm out.